Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Finding the volume of a solid revolved around a line can be tricky, but we will solve this calculus problem together very quickly now. First, we identify the washer method formula because we are rotating a region around the horizontal line y equals -1, which creates a gap from the x-axis during rotation. Next, we determine the outer radius by taking the top function cosine x and subtracting the axis value of -1, which simplifies to cosine x plus 1 for our radius. The inner radius is the distance from the x-axis to our axis, which is 1. Squaring both yields the integral in option D. Well done! Scan the code you can learn better with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush, trust given values, and check steps.